Hello everyone, my name is Kid Chameleon aka KC. I'm your lead developer on gameplay on Sonic Riders Tournament Edition. And today I'm here to show you some new technology that I got. Right here on my right hand side I got something called RidersPyTools, which is a Python package I've been developing in order to modify GameCube and Wii games a little bit easier on runtime. So, usually what has to happen is you import the Python package Dolphin Memory Engine, where every single time that you use it, you have to call a function such as read or write whenever you want to write it, and it becomes a little cumbersome at times when you want to do larger operations where you have to call it every single time. In this case, I've concocted a structure that allows somebody to create a memory structure based on the original games, and then simplify it down so you can read and write in more simple code. So an example of that we can check on the right here in our examples. Here we have getSetValues. GetSetValues for this function basically will get some information from the game on runtime, set my rings higher, play an animation, and set my boost speed to 300. Let's check that out. As we can see on the right hand side, it got some information during the game, it set my rings, and you can even tell my character, my gear, and my archetype and the current lap, even the state. If I run it during rail grind, it'll change the state too. Okay. So as we can see, we can get and set values from memory, but these aren't hard-coded as you might think. Instead, using our structure, we're actually able to define them in such a way where we implicitly call Dolphin Memory Engine. So if I go to the definition of player 1 current lap, we have a structure right here called generic data. Other structures can be arrays, it can be different structs entirely, such as the controller struct. Anything you can really come up with or program yourself can be done here. Now this is all well and good, and especially because it's Python, you can hook this to anything. What can you do with this, right? Because we're making this available to everyone. Every single Riders build is working with this, TE, DX, Vanilla. What can we really do with this? Well, that's where you actually come in. You see, for the month of June and a little bit beyond that, we are going to host the first ever Riders hackathon. And it's all going to be powered by using RidersPyTools. Using RidersPyTools, I want to see what the community can come up with. If there's ever been something that you thought of that might be cool to do, but you didn't have the programming knowledge for C++ or assembly, this is the time to do it, as Python is pretty simple to set up, and our repository for RidersPyTools aims to be very simple to actually set up and integrate for yourself as well. Myself, Kid Chameleon, and Jordan Larton in our Discord are going to be hosting the event, and we're going to be judging all the submissions. There will be more rules and regulations in our Discord for Sonic Riders Competitive to explain how to submit actual submissions in the future. More information, please ask one of us. If you need any help setting anything up, or if you need any help figuring out ideas, also make sure to ask us.